The battle of the AI heavyweights continues, and this time, Google has entered the ring with a new contender, Gemini 2.5 Pro. If you're into AI news, you might have heard whispers about Google's Gemini project. Well, it just took a big leap forward by moving into public preview. SDTIMES.com. And it's got the AI community buzzing. In today's video, we'll explain what Google's Gemini 2.5 is, why it's a big deal, and how it stacks up in the ongoing AI model race. First off, what is Gemini? Gemini is Google's codename for its next-generation AI models, and the number 2.5 suggests this is an intermediate step toward a full Gemini 3 perhaps. Google has been developing these models to compete with the likes of OpenAI's GPT-4, so think of Gemini 2.5 Pro as Google's answer to the most advanced AI systems out there. It's a large language model, LLM, that can likely handle text, and possibly images or other media, since Google has hinted at multimodal capabilities in Gemini. The exciting news is that Gemini 2.5 Pro is now in public preview, meaning developers and select users can start playing with it via Google's AI platforms. SDTIMES.com. Previously, these powerful models were behind closed doors or limited alpha tests. Public preview means Google is confident enough to let the wider world test it, give feedback, and build things with it, albeit still in a controlled environment. One of the standout features that has everyone talking is the massive context window Gemini 2.5 offers. Context window refers to how much text, or data, the model can consider at once in a prompt. For comparison, GPT-4's standard version handles about 8,000 tokens, roughly a few thousand words, and there's a version that goes up to 32,000 tokens. Google's Gemini 2.5 is boasting up to 200,000 tokens in its context window. SDTIMES.com. That's enormous. We're talking about feeding an AI roughly the equivalent of a 300-page book in one go and having it understand and reference all of it. Why does that matter? It means Gemini could potentially ingest and reason about very large documents, codebases, or even sets of data in one shot, making it super powerful for tasks like lengthy document analysis or complex question answering that requires lots of reference info. Now, let's touch on the practical details people have been buzzing about: pricing and access. According to Google's announcement, Gemini 2.5 in preview will be accessible via the Google AI Studio and soon through their Vertex AI platform. SDTIMES.com. They even published pricing per million tokens, and yes, it's not cheap. For inputs under 200k tokens, it's $1.25 per million tokens, and for outputs it's around $10 per million tokens. SDTIMES.com. With higher costs if you push beyond 200k context. If you're not a developer, that might sound abstract, but essentially it indicates this is a premium service aimed at enterprise or serious applications. Early adopters on developer forums are comparing these rates with OpenAI's and trying to calculate which scenarios would be cost-effective for using Gemini. So why is this trending beyond just tech spec fascination? Because it marks a significant step in the AI arms race. Just like a few months back when OpenAI's GPT-4 took the spotlight, now Google is flexing its AI muscles. Enthusiasts are eager to benchmark Gemini 2.5 against GPT-4. Is it as smart? Does it handle reasoning or coding tasks better? Does the huge context give it an edge in complex problems? Some initial impressions, though it's early, suggest it's very capable and might even outperform in certain tasks, but the jury is still out, and that's why there's so much chatter. Every time one of these tech giants releases a new model, it's like a new round in a heavyweight boxing match for AI supremacy. Another point of excitement is the Pro tag and what's coming next. If this is Gemini 2.5 Pro, many speculate that Gemini 3.0, or some full release, might be around the corner, perhaps with even more features or training. Google unveiling this at their Cloud Next event signaled they're integrating it into real products soon. People are speculating on which Google services might get a Gemini-powered boost, maybe improved AI in Google Search, SGE, or smarter features in Google Workspace, Docs, Gmail, that leverage this model's prowess. It's all connected to how Google is revamping its products with AI. Let's also mention, Google has designed Gemini with multimodality in mind. The preview is for text and code and such, but Google's end goal with Gemini is reportedly an AI that can handle text, images, and more fluidly. So the buzz is not only what Gemini 2.5 can do today, but what it hints at for tomorrow, like possibly analyzing an image or video and a related document together. Imagine uploading a diagram plus a technical paper and having the AI explain the concepts by referencing both. That kind of potential has folks excited. Now, trending topics often have a bit of drama too. In this case, it's the competition narrative, OpenAI versus Google versus others. A Nature article recently noted that the AI race is tighter than ever, with Chinese models also rising to challenge the US leaders. Nature.com. To summarize, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro going public is a major moment in AI this week. It's trending because it signifies Google upping the ante, a powerful model with a huge memory, context, and presumably top-notch performance, now available for the world, or at least developers, to poke at. For now, that's our overview of Gemini 2.5 Pro. If you enjoyed this and want to stay updated on the AI frontier, be sure to like and subscribe. Which AI model are you rooting for in this race, or do you think comparing them is overrated? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.